Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Twitch banner using Canva. So at first I will write Twitch banner and search it. Now I'll choose a banner to design. I'll choose this. See, here are lots of other banners to choose. All of them are free. This one is free, this one is free, this one is not free I think. So let's start editing this. I'll write the name of my channel here. Okay, and I can change the color of it also. I will change the color to, I think yellow will be good. Or white. No, yellow. I can also change this color to yellow. I can also change the color of this font to yellow. That's it. Now it looks good. Now you can download it and use it on your channel. So it is very easy. To create a Twitch banner in Canva. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.